Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will show you how to automatically collect, manage, and showcase customer reviews in WooCommerce using YayReviews plugin. So this is the plugin that I am going to use in this video. I will provide the link of this plugin in the description. So this is my e-commerce website and I want to collect reviews. If you run a WooCommerce store, customer reviews are one of the most important trust signals. They help visitors feel more confident before buying, and they can also improve conversions. With Yay Reviews, you can automate review requests, collect photo and video reviews, show verified purchase badges, reward customers with coupons, display reviews beautifully on product pages, and even use AI to summarize customer feedback. So let's start the video. I have installed the plugin. After installing the plugin, you will see this option in your WordPress dashboard. So just go to Yay Reviews option over here. The first thing that you will see is this setup wizard. This help you quickly configure the basic review settings. Here you need to click on continue. Here you can choose whether you want to allow the media reviews so the customers can add photo and video reviews. So if you want to enable it, just enable and click continue. Here you need to enter the request timing. You need to send the request email to the user so they can provide the review. So you can choose any days like 3 days, 7 days, 14 days. So let's choose 7 days for now and click finish setup. Now let's click on view dashboard. Here is the dashboard where you will see all the reviews. So here the YayReviews plugin has automatically fetched the WooCommerce reviews and is showing the reviews that I had in WooCommerce. Currently, the user will receive the email after 7 days when the order is completed. You can also go to reminder and you can change the number of days. You can click on edit and you can change it to 5 or any number of days you want. Just click on save changes and you can also edit the email. Here you can see the preview, how the email will look like. You can edit it. You can edit all of the text over here and you can just click on save changes. Now let's go to the dashboard and see how the image and video reviews show on the front end. Here you can see this product has 6 reviews, so I can open it. Here's how the reviews will look like. Now let's submit a review. Users can submit review through this form, or you can also go to settings and here you can choose verified owners only. So only the people who have purchased the product will be able to leave the review. For now it is not enabled, so anyone can submit it. So now let's submit a review and see how's the process. Here the user can write review titles, they can choose the rating, they can write the detailed review over here, and they can attach any image if they want. I have added an image. Now they can choose post this review anonymously, which will hide their name, and they can click on submit. If they want, they can keep this unchecked. In this case, the verified badge is not showing, but here you can see the original review that was given by a verified customer has the badge over here. You can enable this option if you want, if you only want the verified reviews, and you can also go to the display option over here and you can show or hide this verified badge as well. This is important because it helps visitor understand that the review came from an actual buyer, not a random visitor. Now let's go to the rewards and set up a reward rule. With reward rules, you can automatically generate a coupon when a review meets specific condition. For example, we can create a reward rule which includes require verified purchase, require photo or video, and we can also set up minimum star rating 5, and we can give them a percentage of discount, or we can also give them a fixed amount of discount. We can set up the expiry date and we can create the reward. This encourages customers to leave better quality reviews, especially reviews with photos or videos. If the review is approved, e-commerce can automatically issue the coupon to the customer. This is a smart way to increase review participation and also bring customers back for another purchase. Now let's go to the settings and see the display options that we have. Currently, when we go to the website, you can see that the reviews are showing in a list. We can change it to grid. Let's click on refresh. Here you can see it they are now showing in grid form. You can also change it to masonry or slider if you want. Just change it and click on save changes, click refresh, and here you can see that now they are in a slider form. A clean section design can make the product page look more active, trustworthy, and conversion focused. YayCommerce also gives you different review styles. For that, you can go to rating types over here. You can choose star rating, heart rating, thumbs, faces, fire, stars, emoji. So you can change the ratings to these, any of these, and you can also create a custom rating type where you can choose any preset and then you can edit that preset to create your own rating type. For example, you can change the emoji and the title for 1 star review, and similarly for the 5 star reviews, for all of them you can create your own custom rating type. Another useful feature that e-commerce offers is AI summary. If a product has many reviews, visitors may not want to read every single one. E-commerce can automatically generate a summary of the reviews for each product. It can highlight the main positive and negative point and show the overall customer sentiment directly on the product page. To enable the AI summary, just go to extensions and go to AI summaries, and here you can go to setting and click on enable. Now let's go to products, and here you can generate the summary of the product reviews. So the summary is generated, here you can see, and this will show to the user when they will see the reviews. Now let's go to the settings, and here you can go to social proof. Here you can enable this social proof. These are dedicated social proof display elements plus pinned reviews to manually feature the best and most persuasive reviews at the top. Then you can also go to SEO and you can enable rich snippets. This will add schema to your product reviews. This enables the star ratings in Google search results. So for example, when someone will search on Google and your product shows in the search, then it will also show the product reviews, which will help you get more clicks. This will auto detect Yoast or rank math schemas to avoid conflict. There's also this option for location. When you will enable it and user will post a review, then their country will also show along with flag emoji in the review. So you can enable this option if you want. You can also go to store reviews and you can enable this option, and here it will show you all of the reviews. These are store reviews, not the product reviews, so users can also leave review on your store about what they think about your store. So these are not tied to the products. You can go to the settings and you can change the settings over here as well. You can enable the media uploads, display verified badge. You can edit the email and you can set the reminder for the email, and similarly you can enable the schema markup. So when someone will search about your store on Google, they will also see your store reviews. So that's it for this video. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. I will provide the plugin link in the description of the video as well, so you can get the plugin and install on your store to increase your conversions and trust signals. So that's it for this video. Subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.